Guys, good evening, welcome back to the channel. So it's your girl Providence here. I'm back again. So we just came back from the groceries and then we got like a lot of like healthy things for my weight loss journey. So I'm gonna start like a low carb diet, not keto. I don't want to do keto or the Atkins. Well, the Atkins maybe, but the keto one no, because I'm still breastfeeding, and apparently I did research and they said that it's not good for you to do keto when you're breastfeeding because you can transfer those ketones. I'm gonna put the name, I don't remember what it's called. You can transfer it down to your baby, which is really bad and not recommended for women who are breastfeeding. So I'm not gonna do keto. I was gonna do keto, but I just decided to do low carb and carb recycling. So basically, like where I eat like low carb food throughout the whole week, and then one day, maybe the weekends, I'll eat like moderate carb food, like in the sense of like not like white rice or like some like just half potatoes, corn, like things like that, just one day a week. So these are the things I'm gonna show you guys, the things I got when I went shopping, so you guys can see. So guys, these are the things I got. It's a lot and I'm so excited for this because it only has like, it's a tortilla. It's called Carbs Balance, only 3 net carbs per tortillas, and it has 70 calories and it's high in fiber. So it's Carb Balance whole wheat mission. So I'm really excited for it. So this is it, like only 3 grams. And then yeah, I got that. I got zucchini. I got some kind of mixed vegetables, green peppers, some peppers, some green tea, yeah, some unsweetened almond milk. I got some spinach, some avocado, some cauliflower rice, some smoothie bag. This is like green smoothie right here, red fruit smoothie. These are like all red fruits and bananas. I got some beef, yeah, so beef. I got like breast chicken, egg, some cabbage for like cabbage, some kind of like cabbage stew with sauerkraut. And then I got some coconut flour, organic coconut flour. And then I got some mushrooms, Romania lettuce, some spaghetti squash. I'm so excited to try this because I haven't even tried this before, so I'm really excited to try it. Tomatoes, some organic carrots, some apples, celery, some broccoli, some shallots. I think, is it called shallots? Like onions, green onions, onions, and raw shrimps. So yeah, these are the things I got. So yeah, I'm really excited to start on. I'm really happy. So far in the month of January, I started my weight loss January 2nd, and I lost 11 pounds already. So I wasn't doing the carb diet. I did the low carb diet this week. Today is Saturday. I did it from Monday to Saturday. Today I had like a wrap. Like I was really hungry. I was like, okay, I'll have like a wrap. So yeah, like I lost 11 pounds in the whole month of like February, in the whole month of January. So I'm really excited about it. And what else again? Yeah, I've been doing, like, what I did was I tried like the diet that will be effective for me, and I found the low carb diet was the most effective. Like this week I lost so much weight. Like I was going back and forth between 194, 196, but this week I went all the way to I went all the way to 191. So like I started my when I started in the beginning of the month, it was 204, and now I'm not 191. So I'm really excited about that. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. So the low carb diet is better for me, but not keto. Kind of in between the phrase 3 and 2 of Atkins. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will just have like maximum 30 grams of carbs a day. I can't go past that. So I'm gonna have to write everything down, do measurements. I actually bought like a measuring cup to measure everything to make sure I'm on track. And yeah, I'm really excited. No bread, no rice, no potatoes. I can only have potatoes one day because I don't want to go past my limit in a week. So since I'm doing carbs recycling, I can have potatoes, but it's gonna be like half tuber of potatoes. And I'm really excited to try out this coconut flour. I wanted to get the almond flour, but they don't have the almond flour, so I got the coconut one. So I'm kind of excited to try that out. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna start showing you guys what I eat in a week, what I eat as breakfast, what I eat as lunch, my smoothie choices, my juice choices, and all the stuff. I'm gonna show you guys, bring you guys along. I'm really excited. Let's lose this postpartum weight. Let's lose this baby weight. Let's lose it. It's time for me to lose this baby weight, and I'm really pumped to do it. I want to be like, I don't want to push myself too much, but I want to be actually 134. I want to try to see if I can be 140, 134. So it's a long time, a long process, but I'm in for it. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. My phone is ringing. Alarm. What is it? Oh yeah, it's time to feed my daughter. Okay, so yeah, that is it, guys. That is it. So I'm really excited. So now I'm gonna make something to eat. I'm really hungry. So I think I'm gonna do the cauliflower rice. I'm gonna pack all these things and put it in the fridge, then I will start making my dinner for today. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be using to make the cauliflower rice. This is the cauliflower rice right here. It's like frozen a little bit, and then I have in spinach, I have two, what do you call this, mushrooms, white mushrooms, some carrots. The carrot is already steamed, so I'm gonna put it at the end. So that's the last thing that will go inside. And then I have some green onions and red tomatoes, and then I have my chicken soaking inside my vinegar. I'm just washing it in there like with some vinegar, then I'm gonna rinse it out later. And then I have one whole egg that I'm gonna put inside. So I need some purple onions, which I'm gonna cut off, and then cut this. I forgot to cut this. I'm gonna cut this, slice this off, and slice this up, and then I'm gonna slice up my what do you call that, purple onion. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slice it up, and then I'll start cooking. So guys, I am done. I just sliced up the onions and then my mushroom. Now I'm gonna get this clean up, and then I'm gonna start slicing it and then put it in a pan. So guys, this is the cauliflower fried rice. It doesn't even look like it's not fried rice. It's all veggie, but it looks really good and it tastes really good. So yeah. So guys, yeah, that's the cauliflower fried rice. It tastes really good. So I'm gonna eat, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye guys.